Good afternoon. I'm here with my 82 Virago 750. I picked up this tire off the forum from a second gen Virago, going for a fatter look on the cafe build. We have enough clearance to get a finger in on each side with this Dunlop on here that's a 140, so I don't know how the hell you could get a 150 or 160 on here. God only knows. The issue I'm having is with the rear brake hub here. The factory one is a lot smaller, so I understand why you need to mate the second gen wheel with the second gen brake. The issue that I'm running into currently right now, the rear tire can go on without it. But I had to deflate the air out of the tire in order to get it to squeeze through. And like I said, this is a 140. The tire that's on the bike, that was on the bike currently, was a 130, which barely fits the way the offset is. So if I throw this guy back in here, and go to install it, it rubs real hard on the brake assembly. Now I noticed that there's a bunch of pit marks in this brake assembly all over the place. I've just been messing with this today, so I might have put a few of these in here already, to be honest with you guys, but I know for a fact that I didn't put all of them on there. But looking, if this is an 1100 tire, the 1100 looks like it's got a lot more room on the swing arm as far as space. What we're clipping on inside the tire here, if I could get the light right, forgive me, the gears want to have absolutely nothing to do with going in. There's about, I want to say, like 1/8 of an inch to maybe even arguably a little less, but it rubs on both sides. So is there a trick that I'm potentially missing to getting this rear tire mounted? Is there something that I might have been overlooking? Because for the life of me, I can't figure out how to pitch the wheel in a way, unless the tire wasn't on the wheel, maybe it'd stand a chance because you'd get a little bit more angle out of it. But everything that I do to try to make space on the left side, it just grinds this brake in there. Any help? Any kind of hints, tips, or tricks? I would love to educate myself on said situation. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend.